All right, everyone, this is a very quick episode here. It is time for a question and answer episode. So make sure to comment down below and share all of your questions for me, Luke, and for beautiful Susie. Let's pretend she's here with us right now. Looking good. In the comments, make sure to post all of your questions that you have for Susan and I. It is time for another one of those episodes. It has been a while. When it comes to your questions, you can ask just about anything that you want to. Questions about gear, tips, personal questions. Susan and I are pretty much an open book, so ask away, it doesn't matter. And with that being said, all of your questions are appreciated, so make sure to drop them down below. We will answer them for you all soon. Everybody take care, strength and honor. It's cold. It's windy. I'm out of here. Bye.